In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to install the Matrix Nano tracking device. This installation should take you less than 10 minutes. Please do not start the vehicle yet or turn the ignition on. Find the location of your vehicle's battery. The vehicle handbook should help you with this. If present, remove the battery cover to access the battery. Determine a suitable location for the device, ensuring there is sufficient space to run the cables to the battery terminals and that it will not interfere with the battery cover when replaced. Ensure the area has been thoroughly cleaned, then remove the double-sided tape backing and secure the unit in place, ensuring the Nano label is facing up. Loosen the negative terminal with a suitable spanner, ensuring that the spanner does not come into contact with any part of the vehicle metalwork when it is connected to the battery terminal. Connect the black negative cable from the device onto the loosened negative battery terminal. Once connected, tighten the battery terminal and ensure the cable connector is secure. Now loosen the positive terminal with a suitable spanner. Connect the red positive cable from the device onto the loosened positive battery terminal. Once connected, tighten the battery terminal and ensure the cable connector is secure. If the green status light is flashing, the installation has been successful and the battery cover can be replaced. Your vehicle is now connected and you can start making the most of your telematics device.